This is the second lot of equipment that you will need for making the APT items. The first thing is some cardboard. This is cardboard that's got corrugations in it, quite thick. I hope you can see the corrugations in this piece of cardboard. You're going to need quite a lot of that. Secondly, you need to be able to measure. So a strong ruler, this one's made of metal, which has got centimetre markings on it. It's much better to measure in centimetres rather than inches because there's more precision. The second measuring thing is a T-square, which will help us to make the right angles exact. We don't want to make things that are wobbly and wonky. And an additional measuring thing is a tape measure that pulls out so that you can measure awkward shapes. After you've measured, you need to mark the cardboard. So you're going to use a pencil to mark where your measurements are and draw the shapes that you need. And then you need to cut them out. So if it's a very large piece of cardboard, a small saw is a useful tool. But once you cut the bigger pieces, you may need serrated knives. I have a large serrated knife and a smaller serrated knife for cutting those bits of cardboard. Next, we have to make holes in the cardboard in order to pull the ties through, put the things in and pull the ties through. So here we've got two screwdrivers which have been adapted. They've got a notch in them. I hope that you can see the notches. They've been sharpened down to a point there and they've got the notch there. You make a hole in the cardboard, which I will be showing you later, and you push it through and then you pull the tie through and catching it in the notch. You also need some old tights, or these are pop socks. You're going to cut these and make loops that are going to be the ties to tie things together. You will need some old newspapers, a lot of old newspapers. So this is a good way of recycling paper, so it's nice to be recycling things. And you also need a little bit of thin card, such as a cereal box. These are going to be used to make the hinges to fix things together. And that is it. Thank you very much.